Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting in Photopea with the image open. First, make it editable. Convert the background into a regular layer by double-clicking it and pressing OK. Once done, duplicate that layer with Ctrl+J to keep an unchanged original beneath, so you can compare or revert. This step prevents destructive edits and lets you toggle visibility. Also, check the layer you'll invert is selected. The commands act on the active layer only. Now you're ready to apply the actual inversion. With the target layer selected, use Image Adjustments Invert. That flips red, green, and blue channels simultaneously, producing a true color negative. For speed, press Ctrl+I. It does the same instantly. If you have a selection active, Photopea will invert only inside that selection, so make sure nothing is selected unless that's intentional. If you want non-destructive control, instead create an Invert Adjustment layer from Layer New Adjustment Layer Invert. That lets you finish by refining how the inversion integrates. Lower the layer opacity or try blending modes like Overlay or Soft Light to mix inverted colors with the original for artistic effects. Use a layer mask and a soft brush to paint back original sections where needed. This yields selective inversion. If results look off, make sure your document's color profile is standard, sRGB, and not misinterpreted. Revert with Ctrl+Z or compare to the duplicated original layer. That single tip fixes most unexpected color shifts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.